fix any kind of SD card or USB or pen drive, this technique is used, this software is used called Chip Genius, which will tell you the manufacturer name and ID, two kinds of ID of your SD card or pen drive or anything. First you have to install the software from website. I will show you in later video. You have to install the software Chip Genius by Google search, or you can search anywhere, but you can find it easily on Google. And then you have to insert your pen drive and check the letter. In my case there is letter C, or because I installed the Windows in D drive, so my another USB which is not working is in E drive E. So you have to check the manufacturer and ID and VID of your pen drive. Then you have to follow the step as with me. So I am checking the ID and manufacturer name. Manufacturer ID and manufacturer name is two different things. The software Chip Genius will show you. And when you get the ID and manufacturer name, you have to go to website. It is a Russian website, but you have to translate it into English. And there is many useful software for USB and pen drive and camera card. Yes, you can do the fixing of camera card also, and you can do Kingston also. And there is many manufacturers utility and software on that website. So first I have to check my manufacturer. So here is the manufacturer ID down below, and in between of both section it will showing you the drive. You can see the above green line, that's mean I have problem in my pen drive. And this is the website where you can download the software and utility also. Software mean the Chip Genius, and the utility which support your SD card or pen drive if it's corrupted. Otherwise you can do different way. I will show you the different way. If you will tell me in comment, I will make another video for that. So that is the utility for my USB. It's very slow and take a long time, but that will fix USB. This is detecting my USB card and it's start working. If you want to do setting, you can go to setting, or if you don't understand or don't know what to do, so let it be as it is. So it will take time. I have to skip the video. I cannot run the whole process in video. It will take more than 2 hours or 1 hour. So that you have to close that also. If your system is slow, you have to close this Chip Genius, because the work of Chip Genius is being done, already done. You have no use. So here I skip the video and there's my USB showing now. It's fixed. Now I am formatting it. Let's see it's formatted or not. Now you can check it. Disk management. It's also showing my USB F32 GB. The manufacturer name on my USB is Kingston, but inside the USB when I check in Chip Genius, it was something else. So anyway, the USB is fixed now. If you like the video, tell me in comments, and thank you for watching.